Today we find ourselves south of Newport, Oregon in the Ona Beach, Beaver Creek area, and we are planning on dropping our kayak in for the first time and kayaking up Beaver Creek. So first time we're going to try our little boat out.
Yeah. What do they call it? Inaugural.
Yeah, we need like a bottle of champagne or something to crack over the bow, right?
We still have to name her.
Yeah, we still have to name her.
It's still a little bit cool out.
Yeah.
It's gonna warm up, so why don't I get a bike ride in quick? And then what are you gonna do?
Well, we'll need snacks.
Picnic.
For the kayak trip. So I'm going to get together some scones. I make a dairy-free lemon blueberry scones, and I will share that recipe over on our website at carryonvagabond.com. There's a whole recipe section. I've been slowly adding to it. So I will get the dough or batter, I always get that confused, together while you are riding, and then when you come back maybe you could pop them in our oven. And then
I'll set the camp oven up when I get back, bake the scones, and then we'll make some fresh coffee, and we'll
launch.
Load up the kayak and
test it.
See if she floats.
And we'll also see if we can unload it and load it successfully for a second time.
I'm working on a system to deploy and load it alone. So if I get that all working, or maybe not perfected, but if I get something that works really cool, I've already done some mods to the kayak loader, so
yeah,
maybe in a few weeks or a month or so,
video,
I'll do like a kayak loader 2.0 video or something.
Yeah, we'll show you the updates to that. There's always room for improvement, right? Especially when you first make something. As you use it, you learn what's good and what's not. So
yeah.
All right, you get on the bike and I'll get these scones going.
Saddle up.
Bye! Now it's scone time! We've been battling extreme wind and we may have ran out of butane. But I think they've cooked long enough. We never did get up to temperature.
I peeked at them. You had 4 scones in there?
Yeah.
I think you have 1 now.
Okay. Well, you know what? It's still gonna be tasty.
We have
right?
knives.
I hope it's not raw. That's all. Oh, it's adorable.
Boom.
Yeah. No, I think they're good.
Boom.
Oh man, those are perfect.
You doubted me.
I kind of did, honestly.
The camp oven blueberry scone king.
I apologize. Should we get this boat in the water?
I'm tempted to eat now and then go boating. Or do you want to take a picnic?
Well, I mean, we have 4. You could have one now and one later.
Okay.
Okay. Pistol, are you ready to go for a kayak ride? You got a new life jacket. Yeah, you do. So we saw a dog that was wearing this rough wear life jacket.
Crystal, calm down, girl.
She's so excited. And it was so low profile. It's not bulky at all. And her last one had a really big, well, do we still have her last one here? Yeah, we're going to be donating her old one. But this one's going to work a lot better, I think. But her old one, if you see, it had like this really bulky thing around her head, under her neck, and it just was really big. And the 2 handles, so you see this handle is a lot different. It's just more streamlined, and I think it's going to be good.
She needed something more styling.
More styling, and also the neck part on this, you set it once for the size of your dog, and then it just goes over the head. You don't have to adjust it every time, so I really like that.
Do we have an Amazon link?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
There's an Amazon link in the description below and on our website. We'll make that happen. Pistol, let's get this on you. Here we go, baby. No, she hasn't worn it yet, so we'll see if I've got this adjusted correctly.
Haven't seen that hat for a while. Where was that at?
I had it stored. Now I've resurrected.
Didn't we get that in Montana?
Yeah, like 3 years ago.
It's cute.
I think this is good. Pistol, what do you think? Let's see. It's good. And what I really like about it, it has this clip here, so she doesn't have to have a leash or harness on underneath or around it. So it's gonna be great, girl. Let's go. Oh, we're excited. Pistol, we're so excited. This is really, can you put it down? I can't with her and this, and I gotta figure it out. Pistol, what do you think? We're about ready for takeoff. Woo, here we go. Oh, there's a ducky. Oh, it's a baby. Oh, sister's baby. It's so cute. I already noticed that Pistol loves this kayak way better than the sit inside ones because she can look out. She doesn't have to be on my lap to see out. You know what I mean?
This thing pedals nice.
Does it? I wouldn't know.
Obviously, it would be better if we were a little paddle, but it's really actually pretty easy. Actually, just one paddle.
Nice. It's pretty easy up here too. Isn't it, girl? You got the life. Oh, salamander. Salamander. Oh, he's cute. Let's catch him. Change of the seating arrangement.
How's it work?
It's good. I'm facing you now. And we're having snacks.
Snacks?
Snacks.
She's Pistol.
Pistol knows there's snacks in there.
She
No,
knows
you gotta
it.
sit.
You love green beans, don't you?
Oh boy, good girl. How are these scones?
Well, they were really good warm.
Yeah.
I'm glad we had 2 other warm. That's the
We
best.
actually already ate 2, but then we packed 2.
Oh, it's actually still warm.
Oh, it's still warm.
Yeah. Girl.
They kind of got flat. But I like them. Cheers, baby. Boop.
Wow.
Boop, baby. Oh. Oh, girl. Okay, that was fun. Brisk in the wind. It's quite windy, but how did the boat handle?
Much better than I thought. I was a little bit worried about being so big and bulky in these narrow passageways, and just being the one paddle sitting in the back of a tandem as opposed to in the middle for a solo. I thought it was going to be, I mean, it wasn't like a, you know, tiny little, you know, kayak. It was, but for its size, I was really pleased with how it handled. I had no trouble moving around, and it was windy, a little current, so.
What I liked is that Miss Pistol liked it, and because it's a sit on top, she didn't have to be on my lap to look outside. I realize now that she always wants to be on my lap to look outside in the van and also in a kayak, because we're usually down inside it. She doesn't like being blind.
Yeah.
So that left me free to do whatever, and I actually could help paddle if I had a paddle.
Yeah, yeah. So I've ordered the little things to clip the paddles to the sides, so maybe we'll get you one. But
it was fun to flip the seat and face you while we snacked on scones, but I did not love that position for actually just boating around. Like, I want to be in front looking around, and then she likes to be on the bow looking around.
It wasn't romantic, it was awkward.
Yeah, I was just like staring, staring at your face. And you'd have to tell me what was up ahead. Oh, there's a dock on your left. Okay. It was weird.
So romantic. Let's switch the seats around.
Yeah.
We'll look lovingly into each other's eyes.
I mean, we tried. I liked it for snacking because it was like having a meal together. But
yeah,
I don't need to do it while we're floating, kayaking.
Yeah, we'll go and pull off on a beach somewhere and snack.
Yeah,
but there was
fun.
No beach here.
No.
No beach.
Marshy and swampy, and I actually want to come back and kayak this on a full moon at night. So there's a ton of little critters that come out at night.
I'm neat to see some sea otters and beavers and
yeah, river otters.
River otters.
Probably not sea otters.
Well, the oceans are right there.
Yeah, it's true. Next video will likely be our systems review video after being in this van 1 year. Our heater and our hot water and the composting toilet, our battery system, underhood generator, all that good stuff. We'll go over, discuss our likes and dislikes in the upcoming video. That's the plan anyway. So stay tuned for that. We will see you over there. Carry on.
Carry on.